Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while launching the game Battlefield 6. You got an error of Directx error, dxgi error, device on. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have an NVIDIA control panel, launch it. Now click on the Help tab and you will find the option of debug mode. Make sure you enable the debug mode. After enabling debug mode, close it. Now right click on the game and go to its properties. Click on install files and you will find the option of verify integrity of the beta files. Click on it, and once the integrity is verified, try to launch the game to fix out the Directx error. If this also failed to work out, in next method, make sure you must disable the overclocking of your GPU or CPU, or else simply enter into the BIOS menu and you will find the option of XMP profile. Make sure you select the option as auto. Do not overclock your CPU or GPU and select the XMP profile as default auto or turn it off. After doing these settings, restart your PC and try to launch the game to fix out the Directx error, dxgi error, device. If this also failed, in next step, you need to head out to your browser and you need to open this official website of the NVIDIA. From here, scroll down, type in all the details of your GPU and click on the option Start Search to find the relevant drivers of your GPU. And once the search is completed, from here, you need to download the driver version 577.00. Download this particular version only and then install these GPU drivers of the NVIDIA and then try to relaunch the game. If this also failed, in last step, we have a tool with the name Intel Extreme Tuning Utility Tool. Scroll down and click on this download option to download the Extreme Utility Tool into your system. Once it is downloaded, install it. And after installing, launch it and you will find the option of performance score ratio. You need to click on this back arrow key to reduce the performance score ratio. For example, if it is 53, click on this back arrow key 3 times so that the performance score ratio is reduced to 50. Once it is reduced, click on the option apply, and once the changes are saved, try to relaunch the game and the issue of the Directx error, dxgi error device hung while launching the game Battlefield 6 will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.